Innolcon ultrasonic surgical system installation procedure. Ensure all product components are in place. The components include generator, scalpel, foot switch, cart, handpiece, torque wrench, testing tip torque wrench, rubber sleeve and red protective cap. Scalpels installation. Step 1. Place the generator on the cart. Connect the power supply to the generator. Connect the foot switch to the generator. Step 2. Take the scalpel and torque wrench out from the sterilized package. Check if the scalpel and the bolt of the handpiece are in good condition. Step 3. Connect the handpiece with the scalpel. Close the clamp and put in the torque wrench. One hand holds the shaft and the other hand holds the handpiece. Keep them vertical. Connect the scalpel and the handpiece by rotating the shaft clockwise until it is tight, and then rotate the torque wrench clockwise to tighten until hearing the click twice. Remove the torque wrench when the connection is completed. Step 4. Plug the connector of the handpiece to the generator. Keep the arrow on the top, then align the handpiece with the generator receptacle. Insert the connector of the handpiece completely. Power on. Click the start button on the generator. Activate the scalpel. Click the Go Ready button. Keep the clamp open for both scissor and gun scalpels. Press either max or min button on the left or right pedal for 3 seconds until the waiting sign on the screen disappears. The normal working sound means it's ready for use. You can adjust the power level on the screen. System setting. The setting interface has 4 categories: function, system, screen, and about. Click the option button to choose the 4 categories. After changing the parameters in system settings, touch the Save button to save it. For function, you can test the handpiece. For system, you can adjust language and the setting of the pedal and the hand switch. For screen, you can adjust brightness and keypad sound. For about, you can check generator ID and handpiece lifetime. Power off and disassemble. Step 1. Power off. Turn off the power switch. Then remove the scalpel. Hold the handpiece only, close the clamp and use the torque wrench to loosen the scalpel by rotating the torque wrench counterclockwise. Rotate the shaft counterclockwise continuously until the scalpel is removed. Step 2. Store the handpiece properly. Put on the red protective cap timely. Unplug the handpiece and wrap up the wire properly. Make sure the wire is not overwound and the handpiece should be sterilized. Notes during operation. First, when the scalpel is activated, avoid touching any metal objects to avoid damage. Second, place the generator at least 1 meter away from any electrosurgical devices. Use different power outlets if possible. Third, after every 10 to 15 minutes of continuous work, clean the scalpel by wiping the clamp with a sterile moist gauze. Fourth, immerse the blade into normal saline to cool down, and clean the tissue in the blade by activating the scalpel. Fifth, during operation, avoid fully clamping tissue. Use 2/3 or less of the jaws to ensure its performance and lifetime. Sixth, after dissecting the tissue, open the jaw immediately. Avoid activating the scalpel while the jaw is closed with no tissue inside to avoid damaging of the pad. Sterilization. Generator, including the touchscreen, pedal, cart. Use a soft, clean cloth moistened with neutral pH detergent to clean. Wipe thoroughly using a soft, clean cloth moistened with warm water. Dry with a soft, clean cloth. Handpiece. For cleaning, immerse the handpiece into a neutral pH detergent. Clean with a soft bristle brush or equipment. Clean the blade mount surface and bolt with an alcohol wipe. For sterilization, 3 ways to sterilize: autocalv, low temperature plasma, and ethylene oxide. Peracetic acid is prohibited. Troubleshooting. Number 1 scalpel loosened. The screen will show. Tighten the instrument. Open the jaw. Solution A. Reassemble and tighten the scalpel. Make sure the jaw is open and no tissue is inside while testing. Solution B. If solution A fails, please replace the scalpel. Number 2. Holding pressure too high. The screen will show. Relax pressure on the blade. Solution A. Check if the jaw is full of tissue. If the jaw is full of tissue, remove the tissue amount underneath the jaw and activate to test. If the jaw is not full of tissue, reassemble the scalpel and activate to test. Solution B. Test the handpiece. Assemble the testing tip to the handpiece and tighten it by using the testing torque wrench. Click the function button on the screen to test the handpiece. Touch Continue to run the test. The test results will show on the screen. If it shows Pass, it indicates the handpiece is mechanically normal, ready to use. If it shows Fail, it indicates the handpiece has issues and cannot be used. Number 3. Scalpel is damaged. The screen will show Error Instrument Detected. Solution A. Reassemble the scalpel. Check if the scalpel is in good condition. Solution B. Test the handpiece. Check if the handpiece is in good condition. Solution C. If the handpiece is normal, but the system still shows the scalpel is damaged, please replace the scalpel. Risk warning. Generator. Placing any liquid or other devices on top of the generator is prohibited. If the generator is squeezed or deformed during transportation, or if liquid is accidentally spilled on the generator, the screen may be damaged, resulting in an incomplete display and ineffective buttons, or it may damage the outer packaging, depainting or corrosion, or even cause a short circuit. Scalpel. During operation, avoid touching any metal objects to prevent small cracks or fractures. Handpiece. If the end wire of the handpiece is improperly wound or the wire has been aged, the output power of the handpiece may be unstable, and this may lead to the following cases. The lifetime of the scalpel may be shortened. The scalpel may be damaged. The scalpel may emit a sizzling sound during use. The cutting speed and the coagulation effect may be performed negatively. The hand switch may be ineffective. Foot switch. If the pedal wire is wound tightly, this may lead to the following cases. It may cause a short circuit. The lifetime of the pedal may be shortened. The pedal may be damaged. Thanks for your cooperation with Innolcon.